Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm bringing you another easy vegan recipe. And actually this idea came to me one day when I was just laying in bed and I was like, ooh, I wonder how my vegan cheeseburger with my cheeseburger sauce would taste as a vegan cheeseburger taco. And of course, I was like, when I get some time, I'm going to try it out. So if you're interested in seeing this recipe, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Let's hop into it. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. It's very much the ingredients that you need for my cheeseburger sliders, which I featured already on my channel. So if you need the recipe, it will be down in the description box down below. But let's go ahead and get started with our Impossible Burger. So what we're going to do is we're going to brown that up. We're actually going to break it up with a little bit of oil in the pan. And then we're going to season that with some seasoning oil and some garlic powder. And once the Impossible Burger is almost brown, you want to go ahead and start adding in your cheese so that it can get nice and melted in your Impossible meat. And then after that, we can move on to our sauce. And here's what you'll need for my Cotton Creations burger sauce. And once again, the recipe that is down in the description box down below. So if you need it, feel free to download or print it out. So what we're going to do is combine the vegan mayo, some of the Capital Mambo sauce, some mustard, dill relish, some garlic powder, and some sriracha. And once this is done, we are ready to go ahead and assemble everything. So what I did is I lightly toasted my taco shells in the oven. And to those, I'm going to layer in the Impossible cheeseburger meat. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some red onions because that's what I put on the sliders, as well as some lettuce and some tomatoes. And then I'm going to go ahead and drizzle on the cheeseburger sauce. You can go heavy-handed or light-handed. It's totally up to you. But baby, don't that look good? And for the second option, I wanted to stick to a more traditional taco, so I decided to put some salsa on it just to see what that was giving too. So stay tuned because I'm going to try these out on camera so you guys know exactly how I feel about it and you know what they giving. All right, y'all, so this is what it's looking like. So what it's giving. We got the one with my burger sauce, and then we got the one with the salsa. Let me try the one with the burger sauce first. See what that's giving. Here we go. Oh my God. That is fire. That goes up. All right, so here's the one with the salsa. They both are really good. The one with my burger sauce is really giving cheeseburger taco. The one with the salsa is giving more taco than cheeseburger taco. But they both fire. And you should try it out. All right, so let me know what you guys think of this recipe. Another easy one, but it's like a different take on it. And even though it's very similar, the differences are enough to make you feel like you're eating a whole different other type of meal, if that makes sense. Anyway, I love them. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. Of course, I got you on the recipe. It is in the description box down below for you to download, save, or print out. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.